This is one of the conundrums that bipolar cases are in during grandiosity, augmented ambition, where they believe they are God, they go into the solipsistic sort of phase, right? Then you have the existentialistic despair. Before we get into the existentialistic despair, there's three philosophical areas we need to explore quickly. One is nihilism. Nihilism postulates that the universe has no inherent or no intrinsic meaning, and trying to construct any meaning or value is pretty much useless. Or absurdism postulates the same sort of idea that the universe is meaningless, and trying to construct any meaning is sort of counterproductive or in contradiction to the intrinsic meaninglessness of the universe. Existentialism now postulates the same idea but has some